Hey guys, welcome back to my world. If you guys didn't know, my name is Dylan, as the channel is, Dylan's World. So here we're gonna go for my boat, my first boat ever. This boat is older than me. So it's right in here, right here. Yeah, turn up in there, sorry. Yeah, so it was a boat that my dad formerly owned and he gave it to me. And in my young teenage days, I was so careless and I left the boat on the shore and he took it back from me and he had it by a buddy's house. So it's been about 10 years since the boat has been sitting. So I decided to just get the boat and I'm gonna restore the boat. So I'm gonna do some videos from start to finish and you guys can learn a bit, and also I can learn something from you guys. I'm open to constructive criticism. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna take some videos and stuff. So hey guys, so this is the boat. So here it is. You have a South Sea, and this is a popular boat on the island, Cayman Islands. So this was my first boat, and trust me, we killed a lot of fish with this. Yeah man, this brings back a lot of memories. Pulling up fish pots with my dad and my grandfather, catching a lot of snappers on this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is where this boat was the first boat I caught a fish on. So yeah, it's brings back a lot of memories and means a lot to me, you know. Just want to get it restored so I can have it to use again. Yeah, so we're gonna put it in the back of the truck and get going. Let's go, Rob. It light, bro. Trust me.
Because they're going to your girlfriend, they can't let her down.
This time, put the back in first because it's flat. It can go straight up, is it? Yeah, man, Rob. All that fish oil you've been eating in there?
Yeah, but I've been let it go too. Yeah, just keep it in your back, brother.
That worked out good.
Isn't it know you should put this? So we had that mold on that cement.
Yeah, man.
We keep it in the ground right there.
Maybe we can use a little shade and thing.
Yeah.
So we're all set. Loaded up on the Ranger. Yeah, man. Let's go. You're not from the Cayman Islands if you don't do this, man. Yeah, sometimes remember back in the day, you know, in high school, I used to hook the trailer up on the bicycle, you know, and walk that down with the dog.
Any means necessary.
Any means sufficient is necessary. Guess you just watched the video. So I'm just gonna give you a overlay of what I'm gonna do in the coming weeks with the boat. So as I mentioned, that's my first boat ever. So I want to take my time and give it my best. So it's a 14-foot South Sea. I don't know the year exactly, but I was probably around 5 or 6 years old when my dad purchased that boat. I'm gonna beef up the transom. So in the early future, I can use maybe a 60 horsepower because I want to convert it to a center console in the early future. But I'm just going to use a regular outboard, like a dinghy, I have a 15 Yamaha Enduro that I have in mind to purchase for it. If not, I'll probably put a 20. I have a 25 Mercury 4-stroke, but that's rigged for steer drive, like steering wheel drive and side console mount. So I'm not too sure, but I have options. But my main plan is to beef up the transom. That was an issue with it before, and I'm going to raise the transom about 2 inches higher because water tends to come over the back of the stern. And I'm going to reinforce the floor with biaxial. And I'm going to do the bottom with biaxial as well. I'm not going to spend a pile of money in there. Just going to make the boat durable and possibly fish a lot on it. You know, it takes a lot of preparation when you have a bigger boat. Guys with bigger boat, you know, a smaller boat, you can just put $10 gas and you jump in, you're gone. But with the bigger boat, you have to prep, and it takes a little bit more to maintain as well. So that's my ideal plan, is to have a smaller boat I can just use whenever. Low maintenance and just very efficient. But yeah, hope you liked the video. Please, you can just give me put a comment below if you have any suggestions what I should do with the boat. I like to be unique, so I don't like to have a common thing. I like to put my twist to it. So more than likely, I'm gonna put my twist to this boat. Like I mentioned, I'm gonna raise the transom, and I'm possibly gonna turn it to center console. I may even extend the boat by a couple of feet. I don't know. I can just cut it in half and extend it. I'm capable of doing that. I was thinking about it because this 14-footer, having a 16-footer would be pretty decent. So yeah. So just leave a like this video, share it, leave a comment for any suggestions you like, and please give me a thumbs up. And thanks for the support. You guys take care.